creators, and welcome back to Creating with Miss Kaye. In today's video, I'm participating in an open collaboration titled Jingle Bells Christmas Tablescape. It's hosted by the Heaven's Pearls. The members are DIY Design by CCW, Levels of Style with Sandra, Love is the Main Key, Glam Queen of DIY, Debby Bubbles, Jazigreen Decor Style, Styling with Stacy, who is their newest member. We were asked to style a tablescape, our choice of color or style. The only thing we had to do was include a bell or an angel. I would like to thank the ladies of Heaven's Pearls for this invitation. This has been very fun. I got a little bit creative. I didn't use the traditional Christmas colors, but I did include my angel and also a bell. If you don't see a visible angel on my table, the ornaments that are on top of the plates have a crystal angel inside of each ornament. And to everyone who's watching, please make sure you go by each member of the Heaven's Pearls and check out their channels, as well as the other participants in this collaboration. Please watch the playlist. And if you enjoy what you're watching right now from my tablescape, and you like to see other tablescapes, and you like to create, and you have not yet joined my channel, today would be a great day to go ahead and subscribe. And to all of my subscribers, I would like to thank you so much for all of your genuine support. Thank you so much. I pray you enjoy my video. And remember, be not forgetful to entertain strangers, for thereby some have entertained angels unawares. Hebrews 13th chapter, verse 2. Have a safe holiday, be blessed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye.